Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Amazon, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So now here we are in Shopify, and then from here what we need to do is we're gonna need an app called Spreader. So you can go into the search bar and type Spreader right here, and then you would have this option. You can click on this one, or you can click on View in Shopify Store, and then you would be prompted right here. And this is the app that you want, so you want to click on that. So from here, click on install right here, and then you want to wait for that, and then you want to install this app basically into your Shopify store. Click on install right here. And now once that's done, then let's just wait for this one to load right here. So now you can click on approve right here. So you want to make sure that you are permitting this. So this is like $5 right here, and you have your 7-day free trial right here ending on March 15 and so on. You can click on approve on that right here. So let's just wait for this one right here. So now once you're done, then you would be able to be get prompted right here. So from here, you can go for join Amazon Associates right here. This is what you need in order for you to be able to recommend products right here. You can post Amazon products into your Shopify store and recommend them to people and so on. And then of course, you would be able to earn a commission right here. So yeah, this is basically how you can do this right here. And yeah, let's do an example right here. So you can go into amazon.com right here, and let's just go for any products right here. So let's just go for the security, just like so, and continue to shopping. And let's say we want this product right here, just for an example. And then we're gonna copy the link of this product, and then we're gonna paste it here into Spreader, and click on paste, click on add product. And then as you can see, it would now integrate Amazon to Shopify right here. And all we have to do now is wait for that to load right here, and let's see how it goes. And now as you can see, product has been added successfully right here. And as you can see, set up Amazon affiliate ID to receive sales commission right here. So that is also very important. And then from here in our store, let's go into products right here. And then just like that, we now have this one in our store from Amazon product. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.